Hello, it's Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 on 11 metres and PMR 446. Now, this is a handheld CB, it's an Intek H-520 Plus, I've had it for a while. The batteries in it are completely knackered. They won't hold a charge for very long and the thing will not run for very long. Whereas the same can't be said for my Midland Allen 42 Multi. So, we're going to fix this. And we're going to fix it with Lidl's Tronic batteries, which are these here, in some very rather colourful colours. They were $5.99. Oops, I just knocked the radio over with that. That's a bit silly. So they were $5.99 from the local Lidl. I was in there for some other things as well, as I may or may not have alluded to in the previous video. Now, I'm going to have to pause while I try and get into those batteries, so just bear with me 2 seconds. Right, okay, slight jump cut there because I did have to pause. That's the batteries now liberated, so I've now going. Apparently these are pre-charged, so let's see what happens when I put them into the radio. Well, there's a bit of a tight fit in there, just to be expected. The previous batteries were a bit of a tight fit as well. Now these are all the same rating. They should all have the same level of charge. This corner's a little bit messy because I do quite a few things around here. So let's see if I can breathe some life back into this CB with some sparkling batteries. Okay, I'm going to put the battery compartment cover back on that. Okay, bring that up. There we go, battery compartment cover's back on. Right, let's see. Let's get rid of that. And go. Oh yes, perfect, we're working. Right, so let's see if we... Yeah, okay, it's going to make a bit of noise, as we expected. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so far so good. Let's try transmitting from this one. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. I might have to turn up the Midland just to compensate for that. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. That's not even batting an eyelid. There we have it. My H-520 Plus is now restored and back in service thanks to some little batteries. And the reference to BigClive.com here, no, I'm not going to cut them open. And yeah, because it'll just catch on fire. So, it's Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on PMR or 446. So, I monitor GB3IR in the local area, sometimes GB3HG. IR is Echolink and IRLP enabled, and I also monitor network radios, primarily channel 00. So, I hope to catch you on the air very soon. 7 for now.